Well, I've had several requests to do a campfire, so here we go. The wind was blowing pretty good. I really kind of debated on whether I needed to even start one. I didn't want to be chasing any hot embers around, but then I looked around, and it's kind of wide open, and there's not any bushes and trees nearby, and still pretty green. So thought I'd just go ahead and do it. Just stand by and watch. But anyway, we're supposed to have a really bad windstorm coming in tomorrow. Sustained winds of 25 to 30 and then gusting to 50 miles per hour. So tomorrow will be a in-camper day. Be hanging out inside, I guess. Right now it's not too bad. I'm not sure what the temperature is, but the wind is what's cold. Get behind a camper when the wind does blow on you, and it's not too bad. So get out here in the open, and it's a little chilly. The wind will cut right through you. So anyway, figured I'd better get this up. Well, I could. I haven't done a whole lot of voiceover lately, and so my voice is kind of squeaky. kind of squeaky a little bit, so I hope you all can put up with that. So anyway, the corned beef and cabbage went over pretty good. I was actually going to do this last night, but like I said, I ate so much, and it was so good I just kept eating on it most of the night, and then before the sun went down, the sunset come up, I fell asleep in my chair, and I didn't even wake up till like 9 o'clock at night, so I just missed the whole thing. So I guess that's it. We'll just kind of sit back and watch this video. Hope you enjoy. Talk to you again as soon as I can.